Stop paying Japanese tutors. By the end of this video, you will have 3 prompts that turn ChatGPT into your free Japanese coach. Let's get into it. The first prompt is what I call the immersion generator. The hardest part of learning Japanese is finding sentences that are at your level. Textbooks are often boring and too controlled. Anime and dramas are usually too fast and too advanced. Instead of hunting for the perfect sentence, you can generate it. Tell ChatGPT something like this. Create 10 simple beginner Japanese sentences using the word cafe. Include the romaji and the English translation. Make 5 sentences formal using Desu and Masu and 5 sentences casual. This works because you see one word in many different real situations. You get input that is exactly at your level, and you instantly create your own mini textbooks in a few seconds. You can repeat this with any word you are studying, and suddenly you have natural targeted immersion. The second prompt is the grammar doctor. You write a Japanese sentence, but you are not sure if it sounds right. Most people ask, is this correct? That's teach you almost nothing. Instead, say this, correct my Japanese sentence and explain clearly why it's wrong or unnatural. Break down the grammar in simple English so I can understand the logic. For example, you write, watashi wa sushi o taberu. ChatGPT might tell you, this is grammatically correct, but in most cases it sounds more natural to drop watashi wa because the subject is clear from context. Now you are not just getting a red or green light, you are learning the deeper pattern that you can use in very future sentence. It's like having patient native tutor who explain your mistakes 24/7. Third prompt is the Venom Analyzer, and this is the real game changer for Lingo Asia viewers. Japanese feels random until you see that every sentence is either verbal or nominal. Verbal sentences are action-based and end in verb. Nominal sentences are state-based and usually end in des or noun. When you see a complex sentence, give ChatGPT this instruction. Analyze this Japanese sentence, break it into parts. Tell me whether the main structure is verbal, ending in a verb, or nominal, ending des or noun. Then explain how each part connects to the main structure. Now the AI is forced to teach you the skeleton of the sentence, not just the translation. You start seeing pattern, you stop memorizing random lines, and start understanding how Japanese is actually built. Using the verbal-nominal idea, there is also a bonus method, the conversation simulator. ChatGPT now has voice mode, so you can literally talk to it. Say something like this. Let us role play. You are a shopkeeper in Tokyo. I'm a customer. We will practice buying an umbrella. Please answer in simple Japanese and correct my mistakes after every response. This gives you real speaking practice without fear or embarrassment. You can pause, think, and repeat as much as you want. By the time you talk to a real human, you already have some speaking confidence. But here's an important warning. AI is a tool, not a brain replacement. If you just copy and paste what it gives you, you will not improve. You must read the sentences out loud. Write the best one in your notebook. And pay attention to the explanation. Use AI to speed up the word, not to skip the word. I have put this exact prompt in the description below so you can copy and paste them immediately. Your challenge is this. Open ChatGPT, use prompt 1, and generate 10 sentences with the word coffee or kohi. Then choose your favorite sentence and post it in the comment. I will check and give you extra tips. And if you want to really understand the Venom logic behind prompt 3, watch the next video I recommend on the screen and in the description. In just a few minutes, you will see how the verbal-nominal system makes Japanese grammar feel simple and logical instead of confusing. Work smart, use AI like pro, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.